Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a really quick video about a Postcard Tycoon mentor. If you are looking at Postcard Tycoon and maybe you called the phone number on the postcard, maybe you're trying to get a hold of your sponsor and they're not getting a hold of you, well, hey, my friend, my name is Justin Temple and I am a member of Postcard Tycoon, and I love helping people succeed with this postcard marketing program. I got started with this program about 6 to 7 months ago, and it has been the program that has been able to change me and my girlfriend's life, so where I can stop working a dead-end fast food job and actually make $300 commission sent directly to my check, or sent directly to my mailbox, right? And so you can check for income proof in the description below and visit my website, postcardlifestyle.com. But if you're looking for a Postcard Tycoon mentor, I just finished my team training site to the point where you can actually go through it and use it to succeed with Postcard Tycoon. There are some more trainings I'm going to be building out in it to help you succeed more, but the basics of it are definitely done. And so if you're looking for a mentor to help you and walk you through step by step how to succeed with Postcard Tycoon, then I can definitely help you do that. Okay, my friend, I have built out a team site for you, and I have a bunch of team bonuses to help you succeed and that go in line with helping you succeed with Postcard Tycoon. All right, my friend, thanks for watching this video about Postcard Tycoon Mentor. If you need help, if you need someone to talk to, if you need someone to join under who is going to be there for you and actually help you succeed, and you're actually going to get my personal phone number when you get on my team, so you can ask me any questions that you have. I've been in the internet marketing industry for 8 to 9 years and the offline marketing industry for 6 to 7 months, okay? So if you need help with online marketing, I'm a very, very knowledgeable online marketer, okay? You can see by visiting my website down below. I'm very, very good with online, so if you ever need help with mentoring or internet marketing as far as online or anything really, I can help you out with that. So I'm a really, really knowledgeable person in internet marketing and marketing in general, but then I got into offline marketing with Postcard Tycoon about 6 to 7 months ago, okay? So you can always ask me questions. I know a lot of stuff in this industry. I know a lot of marketing. I'm not just a postcard marketer. I've done many different forms of advertising. So if you need a mentor, reach out to me. I'm happy to help you. If you have questions about Postcard Tycoon and you have not gotten them answered, go ahead and visit the link in the description below to visit my website, and you'll be able to learn more about me and learn more about how I use this system to succeed. That way you can get your questions answered, and by the time you get on the phone with me, you're going to be just having 1 or 2 questions and be ready to get started, right? And so that's one of the secrets to succeeding with Postcard Tycoon, is make people go through a sales process, and I teach that within my team training site, okay? So if you need a mentor, reach out to me. And again, this is the same exact system that me and my girlfriend used to change our life, okay? This is the same system I was able to use to go from working a dead-end fast food job to being able to earn $300 checks sent directly to my mailbox, okay? And if you want income proof, go ahead and click the link in the description below. I typically don't show income proof on my videos because in order, like, okay, so if I show income proof, like, oh, here's my income proof, well, then that means you're getting excited to join because you saw someone already making money with it, which is great, but that's hype, okay? When you do hype marketing, it's hard for people to get in, right? So when you join, how do you succeed without showing income proof? Because you joined when someone showed income proof. So that means that you're joining because you're hyped, and now you're gonna market in a way that's hyped, and so you're not gonna share knowledge in marketing and principles to help people build their business, right? You need to share knowledge, not income proof. You need to share knowledge, not, oh, this works for me. You know, it's more about how can it work for you, right? Okay, there's income proof on my website down below, but how can it work for you, right? Maybe you need a mentor, maybe you're stuck, maybe you're looking to get started and no one's answering your phone calls. Go ahead and reach out to me. You can call me or text me, link in a phone number in the description below, or email me at support@postcardlifestyle.com. But thanks for watching this video, my friend. I am an avid Postcard Tycoon member who loves to help people with this system, and I even built out an entire training site to help you succeed with this system. I teach you how to get free stamps. I teach you how to make more money with Postcard Tycoon. I teach you how to save money on advertising, teach you how to scale up your advertising, teach you how to customize your postcards for better response rates, teach you how to talk on the phone using my phone script so that you can increase your conversion rates, okay? So if you're looking to succeed in Postcard Tycoon and you need a mentor, not only am I a mentor, but I'm a coach that has the training, the resources, and everything you need to make this work, okay? So don't be the average marketer. Get training, tools, and resources to help you be above and beyond everyone else, okay? So everyone else is sending out the same Postcard Tycoon postcards. Well, now, because you're a part of my team and because you watched this video, you know that you need to customize your postcards for better response rates so that you can actually be a little bit worse on the phone and not have to stress so much on sales, because you are having better marketing, okay? So be a better marketer, okay? Be a better marketer. That's why I don't show income proof in my videos. That's why I don't overhype anything, and that's why I tell you the straight up gosh darn truth, okay? I don't hype anything, okay? If something's good, it's good. If something's not good, it's not good. And a lot of things that are okay, you could make it good, right? So that's just how it is, and I appreciate you watching this. If you need a real mentor, I'm a real mentor. No hype, no bullshit. I'm going to teach you how to actually build a legitimate, profitable business where you're weeding out tire kickers and only talking to people that want to get started and that want to join an opportunity where they can make $300 commissions, okay? And not only am I going to teach you how to talk to people that want to join, but I'm going to teach you how to talk to people that have the money to get started. Very, very important, okay? Because what if people are, you could be talking to the most excited people ready to join all day long, but if none of them have any money to get started, you're wasting your time every day, right? So there's very important things to master as far as marketing. And I'm not going to tell you that you can join Postcard Tycoon and just send 10,000 postcards and make a bunch of sales, okay? That's the wrong mentor. The wrong mentor, the mentor that you should run away from, is the one that says, hey, send out the postcards, you'll make money. That's not how it works, okay? That's not how it works. What you need to do, okay, you ready for a real mentor? Good morning. I'm tired, I just woke up. Ready for mentor morning? All right. The postcard's the first part of the advertising. The postcard is meant to collect name, email, and phone number so that you can follow up with people. The postcard is not meant to get the sale. The postcard is meant to get the info. You are the one that's meant to get the sale. You, right? The postcard gets the name, email, phone number. You get the sale. You get the sale, right? So many times people expect the mail to make the sale. Stop expecting the mail to make the sale. Now, Postcard Tycoon is a done-for-you system. You don't have to sell, okay? Find programs where you don't have to be the salesman, and it explains everything for your members and for your leads. So don't be an explainer, okay? But you want to leverage your system, okay? So as a real mentor, I'm teaching you to leverage your system, okay? Create leverage, all right? So very, very important. You don't want to just mail postcards and expect money to be made. You want to mail postcards and expect responses. Well, from those responses, you're going to work on those responses to make a sale, okay? And depending on how well you set up your website and your 2-page funnel, which is what I teach in my team, depending on how well you do that, from responses to sale, there's going to be a certain amount of questions, a certain amount of objections, right? So when you get the lead, right? someone visits your website or someone calls you. Well, that's a response. Well, from response to sale, there's a certain amount of space and there's a certain amount of objections. And if you build a 2-page website like I teach you how to in my team, you will remove, okay, so let's say response and sale is this big of a gap. Well, because I follow the training and the principles of marketing, the amount of objections and hardship I have to go through to make a sale goes from this to like this. Okay? So my sales are so much closer because I don't just mail postcards and expect money. No. My sales are so much closer and I have a higher conversion rate because I mail postcards, I collect the names, emails, and phone numbers, and then I work on the sale. And then I work on the sale. Okay? And my website helps me with it. Okay, my website makes it go from this big of a problem to convert my customer into this big of a problem. Okay? That makes sense? So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a Postcard Tycoon mentor, I'm the real mentor. I'm not going to tell you any bullcrap, fluff, hype. I'm going to teach you how to really market this business and what you really need to do to actually convert your leads into sales and actually get higher response rates. So, without further ado, click the link in the description below, visit postcardlifestyle.com, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications for future videos, and I will see you in tomorrow's video, my friend. I appreciate you, and I look forward to helping you with Postcard Tycoon. And again, I just built out a membership website that I made live. You can check out my channel for more information and more tips and trainings on direct mail. I highly recommend you subscribe and look at my channel. There's a lot of stuff that you'll enjoy on there. However, thank you for watching Postcard Tycoon Mentor. I will see you in tomorrow's video, my friends. And again, you can call or text me. I prefer text and email because I might be going to the bathroom or something like that, and I hang out with my girlfriend, and I try to make sure that I spend a lot of time with her at certain times, and before we go somewhere, or before she sees family and stuff. So we got a busy life to get around and stuff. So email and text is best, but if you want to call me, go ahead, don't matter. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Have a wonderful day, my friend, and I will see you on the inside helping you with your Postcard Tycoon success. All right? And any of the bonuses that I offer on my team, I also allow you to share them with your team. All right? So have a wonderful day, my friend, and I will see you on the inside of my team. Have a wonderful day.